And in deeply conservative states, they've weaponized the courts against providers in state and out. And now we know they've tried to strip New York doctors of their medical licenses, sue them, throw them in jail, and even charge them with murder. I knew that swift action was required. That's why 11 days before the Dobbs decision, because the memo had been leaked, before the Dobbs decision in June of 2022, I stepped up working with the leaders behind me to sign a suite of bills, including shield laws to protect doctors who treat out-of-state patients, clearly stating that we will not cooperate with other states' lawsuits or criminal actions against them. A year later, we went even further with the shield law protecting doctors who provide abortion services via telemedicine. As other states turn to the dark ages, New York remains committed to being a light, a beacon for reproductive freedom. Providing abortion care by telehealth or mail can be a life-saving intervention for people living in states where their most basic right to control their own bodies is denied. But Republicans' attacks on women's rights and reproductive health has not stopped. Indeed, now with this new administration, they're even more emboldened. So emboldened on Friday, a grand jury in Louisiana indicted a New York doctor for providing FDA-approved medication, abortion medication, through the mails. Now, this doctor simply responded to a cry for help. And in return, now faces a felony charge that subjects an individual to a prison term of up to 5 years and fines as high as $50,000. Think about that. 5 years in prison simply because you upheld your oath and delivered medical care. I immediately promised I would do everything I can to protect this doctor and others who provide such care to American women wherever they live. I must stand up and protect our doctors, and our doctors have this right to do this. I basically said there's no way in hell they'll ever respond to a request to extradite this individual and face criminal charges. Never, under any circumstances, will I sign an extradition agreement that sends our doctor into harm's way to be prosecuted as a criminal for simply following her oath. I will. Let's say it together. We will not now, not ever. Not now, not ever.